Ooh, Michael, you have candy? Then what are you eating?
Oh, bro, it's just Ludens, okay?
Oh, do you have a cough? No. Sore throat? So why are you eating all those?
Oh man, bro, my stomach hurts like really bad, but that wild cherry is just deliciously soothing.
Can I have some?
Oh no, bro, get your own.
Jeez, slow down. You know, Michael, that's like medicine for your throat. It's like a drug.
What?
With the number you're eating, I mean, it's kind of like you're abusing drugs.
Oh no! But I'm in the DARE program!
Michael, do you need help?
Ah!
That's what I thought.